Hello everyone, my name is Yuri Anime, and in this video I wanted to showcase to you guys this character model that I just finished. I made this model from a sketch that I made of a ninja character. I originally created him for the purpose of selling him on the Blender market. Um, and I still might, I don't know, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the cool things that I did with him. So the rig is, your pretty standard um, regular old Blender Rigify rig. I just made a few modifications for his equipment and things like that. So, for instance, um, he has 6 blades on his back, and I made these drivers here, and these drivers drive bones, and that control the swords to have their copy transforms be from the sword holder to the hand. And all you have to do is just move that once so you can see it, like that. And I also have these set up so that if I want to, let's say widen the fingers, instead of having to move these individually, they move right along with the hand deformer. So it's another really cool feature here. And then you can just kind of bring those in there, you know, and maybe kind of bring that down like so. And of course it works for both hands. So just bring that up there. And now you see both hands have these swords attached to them, or short swords or knives or whatever you want to call them. So that's that cool thing. So it's another cool thing. Well, if I play the animator here, I have the cloth for his headband and his scarf. Uh, they have cloth physics on them. So you move the character around, you see that both the scarf and the headband have physics which enable them to move around. And it even does it when he moves his head, so it jiggles and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Another deforming, or at least for these kunai here. I thought it was going to be a pretty big challenge to rig these, but it actually was fairly simple. Basically, I have it set up so that wherever I move, they will clip as little as possible. That's kind of big or whatever, but not really, because you can just move them with their controller. If you go in here, I have these set up on an IK constraint, so I basically parented these bones. Let me move back into place. I parented these bones to the middle spine, and then I put an IK constraint on them so that they have independent movement. So they kind of work like that. And now I don't have to worry about moving them individually as much. Especially considering I barely have to worry about that with the moving the legs like this. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is what I've been working on pretty much. I finished him today, actually. I just finished this character. He's a fresh one. He's fresh off the line. But so at the end of this video, I want to ask you guys a question. So if you guys would like me to do a tutorial series on making this ninja, whoever watches this video, if I can get 20 people, just 20 people, if I can get 20 people to comment in the comment section saying that they would like a tutorial series for this character, then what I'll do is I'll make a modeling part for it, and if you want to learn to rig and sculpt it, I will post those tutorials on Udemy. But I'll make the the modeling tutorial part of it free on YouTube. So let me know if any of you guys are interested in learning how to make this guy, because I have the character model sheets and everything, so I can actually show you step by step how to make him. But that's just if you want to. But anyway, I hope you guys found this kind of cool and interesting. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more Blender tutorials and updates on projects. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.